Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Update your iPhone and both Apple Watches to the latest software because mismatched versions block pairing. Make sure you're signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. These let the Watch app communicate securely. Put the first watch on the charger and power it on. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap Pair New Watch, and follow the camera or manual pairing prompts. Once paired, choose Restore from Backup or Set as New so data syncs properly. Once the first watch is configured, you pair the second the same way. Put the second watch on its charger, power it on, and in the Watch app tap Pair New Watch again. Choose whether to restore from the first watch's backup or set up as a new device. Restoring retains apps and settings, while New lets you customize independently. Make sure to configure Apple Pay, notification preferences, and distinct watch faces so you can tell them apart when switching. This grants both watches full functionality with one iPhone. Finish by testing the workflow. Where the watch you want active and wake your iPhone, it will connect automatically when detected. Allow a short sync period for apps, health data, and wallet. Make sure complications and watch faces are correct. If you plan to alternate frequently, label each watch in the Watch app to avoid confusion. Troubleshooting tip. If a watch won't pair or won't sync, restart both devices, ensure Bluetooth/Wi-Fi and iCloud are active, and if needed unpair, then reset the watch and try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.